Good morning! It's 1:40 AM in Bali, Indonesia right now, and we are off on an adventure. Myself, my friends Johnny and Zap are climbing up Mount Batur, and climbing up there just in time for the sunrise. So hopefully there's no clouds and there'll be a spectacular sunrise over the volcano. We've been trundling along the road for around 2 hours and we're now at the base of Mount Batur. And so we have our guides here. Hello! And we're just starting the hike and we're scheduled to be there for sunrise. We've all got our fingers crossed for no clouds and a brilliant sunrise over the volcano, but who knows. Anyway, we're here and yeah, we're not out tonight. We're not at Sky Garden.
Thank God for that.
Progress update. We've been going at quite a rapid speed and we're almost summiting. We're about 25 minutes left. Zap's been struggling a little bit.
No, come on, that's not true. I just have a cough.
Can't even see your face.
Who's in third place?
Can you put your light on? I'm not quite sure if you can see them, but there's a spectacular number of stars out tonight as well. We've made it up Mount Batur in breakneck speeds, and now we're camped out here waiting for the sunrise. And it's actually looking set to be quite a nice sunrise. So far so good.
Cheers.
There's always that one guy with the drone.
Well, there's actually two guys with the drone, so... Oh no, I don't want to hurt the dog though.
Breakfast time. Boiled eggs, banana, and what's in that? Sandwich?
I don't know. Okay. I'm doing the job. That's never coming back.
What?
Yeah, I like that. I like that.
Feel your hair. But be careful.
Whoa.
Oh, so we cook the egg?
So yeah.
So sometimes we cook eggs or bananas here. Sometimes
Camera's looking pretty foggy right now.
It's probably just
king on top of the world.
So we had a pretty spectacular sunrise on the top of Mount Batur, over these mountains and the lake as well. We all enjoyed ourselves. We had some boiled eggs, some banana sandwiches, and now we're on our way down again to check out a coffee plantation. And from what I've heard, this coffee plantation makes coffee from the feces of cats. Well, let's check it out. A nice bit of agriculture around here. Here you have a pile of aubergines, and these are the aubergine plants. And then you've also got the tomato fields and chilies as well, lots of chilies.
Well, we have
Spring onions. So we've just arrived at the coffee plantation and we've come across the civets So the civets are these small cat-like animals. If they eat the coffee beans and then they excrement it, those beans that come from them can be made into coffee, and it's known as some of the best coffee in the world. Specialty coffee that's sold everywhere, even Harrods in the UK. And so this is a civet. The excrement from the civics looks like this, and from here they wash it, they grind it down, and they get the coffee beans, which can then be roasted. Roasting the beans.
Mangosteen tea's pretty good. Not bad. Lemongrass tea.
I have here a cup of luwak coffee. So this is the coffee that's made from the excrement of the civet. So let's see how it is. It's nice. Yeah, it's pretty good. I don't know how much different it tastes to normal. Yeah, I like it. And alongside this I have a Balinese pancake. Oh, look at that!